Hey guys, it's Gio here with Nerf Guns HD, and I'm just going to be showing you a couple guns we have, and my friend Antonio's here, and we're going to have like a mini Nerf war.
So, my name is Antonio with my best friend Gio, and we're just going to be like, this channel is all be about Nerf wars and new Nerf guns, and we're just going to have mini war, Nerf war guns war.
Alright, let's go.
Alright, so we're just gonna have mini war Nerf war gun. Over there. We don't need a book. Just go. Just go over there. Over there. Over there. More far, more far.
Alright.
Go.
You're so lucky you got the best gun.
Alright, we're out of book. Alright, that's good for this mini Nerf war gun.
I have this Nerf N Strike pistol, and he has this Boomco. I forget what it's called, but it's a good gun.
It's this Nerf Boomco. It's a very powerful gun, and it has 8 bullet slots. Alright, thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe, comment. Peace out, guys.